I would like to do something now, the second time in front of a crowd, and that is to sing a song. Now, you will have to indulge me if I forget the words. But it is a song from some 70 years ago about a young Australian boy, and it goes like this. Okay. Well, we'll do it anyway. It does go like this. When I was a young man, I carried me pack and lived the free life of the rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, I waltzed my Matilda all over. Then in 1915, my country said, son, it's time to stop rambling, there's work to be done. And they gave me a tin hat and they gave me a gun, and they sent me away to the war. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as our ship pulled away from the quay. Amidst all the cheers, flag waving and tears, we sailed off to Gallipoli. How well I remember that terrible day, the blood stains, the sand and the water, and how in that hell that they called Suvla Bay, we were butchered like lambs to the slaughter. Johnny Turkey was ready, he'd primed himself well. He rained us with bullets, he chased us with shells. And in 5 minutes' blood, he kicked us all to hell, nearly chased us clear back to Australia. And the band played Waltzing Matilda, and we stopped to bury our slain. The Turks buried theirs, and we buried ours, and we started all over again. For 10 weary weeks, we kept ourselves alive in a mad world of blood, death, and fire. For 10 weary weeks I kept myself alive, while around me the corpses piled higher. Then a big Turkish shell knocked me ass over head, and when I awoke in my hospital bed, I saw what it had done, and I wished I were dead. Never knew there were worse things than dying. And the band played Waltzing Matilda around the green bush far and near. To hunt pendant eggs, a man needs both legs. No more waltzing Matilda for me. They collected the wounded, the legless, the maimed, the poor wounded heroes of Suvla, the legless, the armless, the blind, the insane, and shipped us all back to Australia. And as our ship pulled into Salakaki, I looked down at where my legs used to be, and thank Christ there was nobody waiting for me to mourn and to grieve and to pity. And the band played Waltzing Matilda as they carried us down the gangway, and nobody's cheered, they just stood and stared and turned all their faces away. And now every April I sit on my porch and watch the parade pass before me. I watch my old comrades, how proudly they march, renewing old dreams and lost glory. The old men march proudly, all bent, stiff and sore, the tired old men from a forgotten war. And the young people ask, what are they marching for? And I ask myself the same question. And the band played Waltzing Matilda, and the old men answer the call. Year by year, their numbers get fewer. Someday no one will march here at all. Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, who'll go waltzing Matilda with me? And their ghosts can be heard as they pass by the Billabong. Who'll go a waltzing Matilda with me? We'll waltz tonight and work tomorrow. Thank you very much.